Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a complaint on Vinted. If you need to raise a concern about an item or contact a seller about a problem, this process is simple and starts directly from the product listing. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to open the item, contact the seller, and write a clear complaint message. Begin by going to the Vinted website. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're in the right place and ready to browse. This is where you can view listings, check item details, and contact sellers directly through the platform. If you already know which item the complaint is about, you can go straight to that listing. Next, click on the sample item. Opening the item page is important because it gives you access to the details of that specific listing, including the seller's profile, the product description, and the available contact options. Before moving forward, it can be helpful to quickly review the listing so your message is accurate and specific. Once you're on the item page, click on Message Seller. This will open Vinted's messaging system, which is the standard way to communicate with the seller about any issue related to the item. Using the platform's built-in messaging is useful because it keeps your conversation connected to the listing and makes your complaint easier to track. When the message window opens, enter a message to complain to the seller about the item. Try to keep your complaint polite, direct, and easy to understand. Clearly explain what the issue is, whether it relates to the item description, condition, shipping, or another concern. A good message should briefly describe the problem and what you want clarified or resolved. For example, you can mention that the item does not match the listing or that you need more information about a problem you noticed. As a general tip, avoid using emotional or aggressive language. A calm and specific message usually leads to a better response and makes the conversation more productive. It's also a good idea to double-check your wording before sending, so your complaint is clear and complete. That's all it takes to make a complaint by messaging a seller on Vinted. By going to the website, opening the item, selecting Message Seller, and entering your complaint, you can quickly raise an issue through the proper channel.